In general terms, a catalog is an ordered or classified list of any type of object, coins, good for sales, documents, among others, or people, and catalog is also a set of publications or objects that are normally classified for sale. A catalog usually consists of a printed object in magazine format in which an inventory of a company's products or service is compiled. An example of catalog is product catalogs. If we look at examples of product catalogs, we see that there are companies that prefer to show the image of the product out of the context, and others that choose to show them in their daily life and use. Catalogs that show the product in use tend to be more successful, whether there are decoration, toy, or clothing catalogs. A price list is a list of prices defined for a set of items. Each price list is applicable to a particular consumer or a group of consumers for a particular duration. A pricing organization can define different price lists for consumers based on various criteria. For example, a pricing organization can create a price list that is applicable to regular business consumers and another price list that is applicable to only a few special business consumers, so that the price for special consumers are less than for the regular consumers. Price lists are extremely useful for assigning variable prices according to different types of sales. In this way, the functionality can be applied to promotion with fixed discounts as well as to sales with special surcharges. A sample refers to a smaller manageable version of a larger group. It is a subset containing the characteristics of a larger population. Samples are used in statistical testing when population sizes are too large for the test to include all possible members of or observations. A sample should represent the population as a whole and not reflect and bias toward a specific attribute. The type of samples are the process of deriving a sample is called a sampling method. Sampling forms an integral part of the research design at this method. There is the quantitative data and the qualitative data that can be collected as part of a research study. Sampling methods are characterized into two distinct approaches: probability sampling and no probability sampling.